Let's draw this A bird. First very quickly digitally, and then I'll slow it down so you can figure out how to do it with colored pencils. Here it is in digital. I just used one brush and very quickly sketched everything out. And I'll show you all the details with the colored pencils. There he is. I used Crayola. You can use whatever you want. In brown, first I made the fence so I can tell where the bird will end up. I made some details on the fence, and I'm not pushing very hard yet. We'll do that later. We're just getting an idea of what everything's going to look like. I decided I want my bird blue, so I first drew an A, and then I made a curved line from the left side of the line to the right side of the bottom. It already looks like a beak. Now here's another curved line for his eye, and I made some eyelashes, made some feathers on top, and gave him a little belly. Now all those things will be in blue. Here's his tail. I made 4 feathers. Now this is in black, and I left a little circle for a reflection. I colored that in real quick, not too hard, and I made a smile and his little nostril. Now here's the surprised worm. 2 eyes and his wiggly body. I'm coloring very lightly. We're gonna color darker later, but it's much easier to fix our mistakes. Now, here's a light green color. I'm making some stems and some grass. I made a circle on each of his tail feathers in black and a very quick sun in the sky. I colored it in. It's very messy, but we'll fix that later. Now I'm coloring his body and his head feathers very lightly, and I'm giving him 2 feet that sit right on that fence. Now I'm making some daisies. You can make it any color you want. I chose yellow. And I'm going to make the center of the daisies black. Here's the surprised worm's eyes, eyebrows, and expression lines. Now here's a few little lines for detail on the bottom of the worm, and now I'm also lightly coloring the beak in yellow. I really like the way this looks, so I'm going over all my images darker. And I'm adding a few extra little details and lines. Here's the blue that I'm making darker. I'm going over the outside lines too to make it look a little bit neater and finished. Take your time with this. I'm outlining his tail feathers again so we can see them even more. And here's that last little line on the top of his beak. Making his eye darker. I think it looks better that way. And here's a cloud. I decided to put circles on the outside of his eyes to make it show up even more. The daisies needed to be a bit brighter also. I colored in the background light blue, and I really like the way it came out. So you can choose any way you like to do it. You can do it digitally on your iPad, or you can use colored pencils like me. Stay tuned, more to come. Thanks for coloring with me. Bye.